welcome back to my channel. I'm Kez. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Literally one of the best days. It's gonna be a two-parter. Grab a snack or grab a wig because we're gonna slay her together. I'm gonna walk you guys through a step-by-step on how to achieve the perfect melt using glue. I am so excited to talk about today's hair sponsor because this is probably the most beautiful wig I've received thus far. And you guys know I've tried over 300 wigs at this point. Today's hair sponsor is F Sister. If you don't know anything about F Sister, they make absolutely gorgeous wigs. The hair is just top tier. Basically, other wig companies cannot sit with them, okay? Today what I have installed is a 22-inch 13x6, 180% density, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready to wear, not free, skin melt, lace frontal wig. I customized my size, so I wanted it in a smaller size. If you're familiar with 13x6, they tend to fit a little bit larger because you have like a lot of parting space. I went down to the small size. The knots are really tiny. This wig takes a lot longer to construct. They basically can construct like 4 wigs in the time that they take to construct this one wig. You're getting quality when you get this wig. We're also going to be trying out some products from my Sticky Little Secret. If you know anything about these products, they are from Miss Rush Posh. I think it's only fair if we include a little bit of an unboxing for these products because they are so cute. I'm impressed. Stick around for more details about this. Beautiful hairline. Look at these knots on this wig. This is going to be a beautiful melt. I'm going to be installing this beautiful wig using all products from my Sticky Little Secret. For about a week now, I've been trying out her products. Pretty familiar with how they work. I'm not going to be using this bald cap, but it does come with a beautiful bald cap that is HD. We're going to be using the skin protector. I'm going to basically clean off any like makeup, but it also is gonna leave a layer of protection so, you know, the glue doesn't eat up my face. So we're gonna clean that space. I'd like that it does have the glueless straps. If you wanna wear it glueless, you can. Put the wig on. This is a beautiful wig, oh my God. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Whoa, can't even see the lace. I'm going to be using this glue from my Sticky Little Secret, and when you're applying the glue, you definitely want to apply it in thin, small sections. I'm just going to put a bit of it here on the back of my palm, and then I'm going to outline where the glue needs to go. Okay, so that is good enough for me. I'm going to just fold the wig back. We did use the skin protector already, so my skin is going to be protected, honey. So if you don't want to wear a bald cap, that's okay. I love how fast this glue dries. And you can see that first coat is already drying, and that's what we want to see. If you want these products to work the best, you have to do what you're supposed to do. Let it dry clear. I know you're in a rush and you got places to go, you got people to see. Also, I like to clean my comb as we go. See, this is what we're looking for before we apply the second coat. You gotta work quickly because this stuff does start drying. I haven't tried more than 2 layers of this glue. If you try 4, you probably have this thing on for a month. Like, it's that good. It is honestly better than Bold Hold. And I've been using this Bold Hold glue. I've been using this glue for the longest time, but this glue is better. And I'm gonna apply my second layer. There's still some pieces that are flapping up because I didn't put glue there. We're gonna go back and fix that, so don't worry about that. You can use a comb to press the lace into your skin. I like to take a little dab of the glue, put it on a surface. Mine happens to be my desk, and then I just like to take my tail comb and then lift up wherever it needs glue. The last thing we're gonna do is go in with the melting spray. You're gonna see what this is gonna do. I'm just gonna dab this. Okay, dab, dab, dab. Basically anywhere you wanna melt. I like to apply it on my fingertip because when you spray it like this, it kinda just starts to run down. Now, I would say if you're gonna get the glue, definitely get the melt spray and the remover. Actually, just get the entire kit because everything plays a part. Like, I love using all of these products together. I'm gonna get my melting band. Any band will do. But it doesn't like leave the hair crunchy, which is very nice. This is gonna be a no baby hair install, okay baby? Because this hairline, it needs to be shown off. We will do some sideburns, that's about it. Melting spray for the sideburns. Let's see if that'll work. Oh yeah. That's nice. That works really nice for securing the sideburns. Okay, moving on. I literally cannot get over how beautiful this wig is. Oh my god. It's probably the most beautiful wig. Now, I just have to start loving these shorter styles because shorter styles look very natural. Look at that hairline, baby. Oof, just burnt myself. If you got any flyaways, you can just use that melting spray. Spray. Let me show you guys what this wig looks like. Literally a quick 2-second straighten because the wig is that beautiful. Wow. This is what dreams are made of. Some people might dream about winning the lottery, going on a special holiday, meeting a celebrity, eating some good food. Mine is this wig. I just burned my forehead and I'm not even mad at it. You can't go wrong with Swiss lace. You can't go wrong with HD frontal wig. And the fact that you can also customize the cap size, you can do small, medium, or large. So if you got big head and this is too small for you, then go ahead and get the larger size. I always thought that I had a big head until I started trying 13x6 wigs, and I've realized that no, I actually don't have a big head. Thank goodness. I just have a big forehead. A flawless install. This wig is so beautiful that we decided to just do a no baby hair look. And when you say no baby hairs, I mean no baby hairs, okay? Because it doesn't need it. This wig does not need the baby hairs because the hairline is perfection. You guys know Miss Rosh Posh over here on YouTube, right? Well, she was so kind to send me over some of the products to try out. When I say obsessed with these products, I'm obsessed. I don't know which one I love the most, but I definitely think the glue is superior. So you can buy this entire kit. I do have a discount code for you guys to save 10% off. I'm gonna link it in the description box. Applied 2 coats for this install, and this is what it's giving. It's giving it's not coming off. Okay, it's not coming off. 2 coats, that's what we're giving. Look at that. It's so good. It sticks for multiple days with just 2 coats. You can go in the hot tub, you can go in the shower, you can go probably in the pool and get this wig wet and it still won't come off. If you want that flawless clean hairline melt, you're gonna need a good lace. So I would say they go hand in hand. Good glue and good lace, good wigs. It's like the perfect match. It's a match made in heaven. Don't sleep on it. I know you might be thinking like, oh, glue is all the same. They're not all the same. This is the best one. I would order this one, the Bold Hold, like 3 of them at a time because that's how much I love it. This glue is better than this. If you know about this, get this, because I'm telling you, this is gonna be your best friend. This is one of my best hair days. So I'm really excited about these products and I'm super excited about this wig. This wig is most definitely Caviar Kez approved. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. It's one of the best wigs I've ever tried. I've tried a lot of wigs, you guys. You're gonna love it. Definitely check them out before you go. I'm gonna link this wig in the description box if you wanna purchase it. Products that I use to install, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys as well. Anyways, guys, that is all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up because it really does go a long way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye.